Some of you guys might be wondering, how did I make this? Well, it's easier than you think. You won't need any filters for this. So, what you don't want to do is not to have your camera facing this way. Instead, have it so that it's facing you. Alright, let's find a good place to put this phone. How about right here? May take at least a few tries to work, but you'll get it soon. Hold on, let me put it in a different place. How about over here? Don't let it fall down. Alright, so that's what you want to do. You might, as an optional tip, want to change your phone's brightness higher. However, putting it in the freezer for a few seconds probably might not be the best option. But if you want to do it, then sure, go ahead. Here, let me do it as an experiment for you. Oopsie, that fell down a bit, so try again. Okay. Right. It keeps falling down, sorry. Okay, I'll put this down at the bottom in the freezer. Something might happen, or something might not. It just depends on what phone you have or what fridge. You could see red, you could see blue, you could see purple, you could see pink, or something else. But those are some pretty important steps. Well, guys, that's it for now. Guys, this isn't fake or anything. You just have to put your phone in the fridge and then it might work. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.